So NMC has updated reduced syllabus for the NEET 2024 on their website, and we are going to see all syllabus that has been reduced, and they're referring the new NCRT especially, right? So watch till the end, and I will share some suggestion with you that if you should refer the reduced syllabus or you should refer the old syllabus, because this is very important for you to gain the good marks in the top rank, right? So we will be discussing it later, right? So let's start our topic, and this is what they have actually released. So this is the important update for the kids who are preparing for the NEET UG undergraduate NEET 2024. So they have reduced the syllabus, and we are going to see what exactly has been reduced. So they are referring the new NCRT, and we know that in new NCRT we have done a video few months back, right? So where I was discussing about the, even I have made that video in which I have told you that the topics which are reduced from the particular unit. So I have given you all the reduced topic and the topics which are same as old NCRT, right? So you can refer that video also after this video. So these are the topics of physics. So I'm sure that this is visible to you all. So this is the first chapter, physics and measurement, in which we are having all these chapter. And then we are having the unit kinematics, in which we are having these chapters. Law of motion, having all these part. Work, energy and power, you are having these parts. Now if you will see the rotational motion, so rotational motion have this part, right? So you can see rotational motion have this part and this part. Now if you will see the unit 6 in physics, so it's a gravitational, it's gravitation having this part. Unit properties of solid and liquid having this part, and thermodynamics have this part. Kinetic theory of gases. Then we are having the oscillations and wave, right? So you see electrostatic having this two parts, right? So this is the all syllabus, this all syllabus that they have given in NMC website, that they are going to refer to make the question for NEET 2024. So like they are referring the new NCRT syllabus, right? So see, these are the part of electric chapter, unit electric, right? So current electricity have these parts, magnetic effect have these parts, electromagnetism have these parts. See, you can see electromagnetic, so you are well versed with the topic in physics. Then you are having optics part, right? So see, these are the part of optics, all these chapters from the optics. Then you are having the dual nature of matter and radiation, atom, nuclei, electronic devices have all these part, experimental skills, right? So these all part are there in the chapter experimental skills, right? So this is about the physics, and you can refer that video also, where I have already mentioned all the topics that are reduced in the new NCRT, and what all the topics that are same as old NCRT, right? So next is the chemistry. So if you will see the physical chemistry, so you are having the some basic concept in chemistry having this part. Unit atomic structure have this part, and this chemical bonding and molecular structure have all these chapters, right? So you can see here, so they are having these chapters. Then you are having chemical thermodynamics, right? So chemical thermodynamics have these parts, chemical thermodynamics have these parts. And then we are having these part in thermodynamics itself. Then we are having solutions. Solution have all these topics you can see over here. Equilibrium chapter have all these part, right? Redox reaction and electrochemistry. So see, redox reaction and electrochemistry have all these topics. Then we are having chemical kinetics have these topics. And then we are having the inorganic chemistry. So you can see inorganic chemistry, classification of elements and periodicity in properties like P block. We are having DF block. We are having coordination compounds, and then comes to the organic part, right? So it is having this purification and characterization of organic compound, having purification and qualitative analysis, and then we are having all these topics that is written over here. Some basic processes of organic chemistry have all these topics that you can see over here. Then we are having hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons have all these topics that is written over here. And then we are having halogens, organic compounds containing halogens. Then we are having the organic compounds containing oxygen, right? Next, we are having the organic compounds containing nitrogen. And then we are having the biomolecule chapter, all these topics, nucleic acid, carbon. And this is same as biology, right? So that means this biomolecule chapter is there in your biology class 11th and in your chemistry also. So if you are doing it nicely in the biology, you are able to solve all the question from the chemistry also. So see, then we are having principle related to practical chemistry, all these topics that you can see. So see, I'm just zooming it out for you. You can also refer the NMC website also for the syllabus, right? So this is the syllabus. Now let's talk about the biology. So see, in the biology, they have given this unit 1, diversity in the living world, in which they are asking you what is living, 5 kingdom classification. Then we are having the plants, then we are having animal kingdom, right? So all the chapters, all 5 chapters, 4 chapters are there in the diversity. Structural organization have the morphology modification, animal tissue, and see, they have just put the morphology, anatomy, function of different system, digestive, circulatory, respiratory, nervous, reproductive of an insect, frog, brief account only. So they have written these part of the animal tissue, means they will be asking you animal tissue plus these parts also, right? So you have to obviously do your frog and your the other animals also for the safer side. So for the safer side, you have to refer old NCERT data, right? Why you have to refer old NCERT book? Because see, all these topics are from new NCERT, and new NCERT has reduced many topics, right? So like they have reduced cockroach, earthworm, frog, digestive system, right? In the animal physiology, in the human physiology, they have deleted this chapter, no? But for the safer side, those kids who want to get great marks, top rank, so for the safer side, I would recommend them to refer these, old NCERT rather than these reduced syllabus, right? Then everything is up to you, right? But I will suggest you to do this to refer the old NCERT rather than this new NCERT. Then you are having cell structure and function, you are having this cell theory, you are having this biomolecule chapter, you are having cell divisions, right? Next, plant physiology have this photosynthesis chapter. Then you are having respiration, plant growth and development, right? So here also some part are reduced, you can see. Next, human physiology, they have reduced the whole chapter of digestion. And then same breathing, respiration is there, body fluid and circulation is there, excretion is there, locomotion is there. And nervous system also, in nervous system, they have reduced the part of sense organs. So they have not included eye and ear in it. So you can see eye, ear is not included at all. And, then we are having chemical coordination. This is the 12th biology syllabus. So we are having this reproduction chapter, first reproduction unit, and first chapter is totally deleted from the syllabus. Then this is the flowering, reproduction in flowering plant. This is the human reproduction, and this is the reproductive health. Then genetics evolution is one of the most important chapters. You have to do it very nicely. And maximum question they generally ask from the genetics and human physiology. And they nowadays, they are asking more question from the biotechnology also. Because from these question, they are forming the application based type question, not the question based on the remembering, right? So you have to do those concept very nicely, those chapter very nicely, who are having the technical part or application based part, like biomolecule also important, right? So you can see like they are having this genetics, principal basis of inheritance. Then they are having molecular basis of inheritance. They are having this evolution part. No, see. Then they are having the biology and human welfare and human welfare. So if we see this unit, no, they have reduced the strategy in human welfare. So the whole chapter they have deleted. And then we are having health and disease chapter. We are having microbes chapter. And then biotechnology has both the chapter as it is. So you can see this is the biotechnology. And ecology, environment also have these organism, environment, ecosystem, biodiversity and in its conservation. So here they have deleted one topic, right? One whole topic. So all the syllabus that are deleted from the old NCERT, I have made a separate video for that. So please refer that video, right? So we will be sharing the link with you. And then those kids who are going to refer only the reduced syllabus new NCERT, it's my request to all the kids, if you want to get the top rank, don't take risk, because NTA sometime, give question from the deleted portion also. So if you are ready to lose your, perhaps they will be giving you 2-3 question or 1-2 question sometime from the deleted portion, then at least for the safer side, if you don't want to lose your even a single marks, then for the safer side, I guess you should, I will strongly recommend you to refer the old NCERT. Rest up to you. So write down your suggestion, what you are exactly going to refer, new syllabus or old syllabus. And in case you are having any good suggestion, write down in the chat box, right? So I hope you found this video helpful, and we will be meeting in the next session. So see you all. Have a great day.